You ever notice that one guy who never calls a plumber, never Googles a tutorial, never panics when something breaks? He just walks up to the problem, stares at it for like 10 seconds, and somehow figures it out. No drama, no excuses, just gets it done. What's actually going on in his brain? Because I'm telling you right now, it's way deeper than just knowing how to fix stuff. If you've ever been that guy or you know someone like that, do me a favor and hit that like button. Because what I'm about to break down is going to make a lot of things click. And if you're into understanding the psychology behind how men think and operate, you're gonna want to subscribe to Focus Psychology, because we go deep on this stuff. Here's the thing most people miss. When a man learns to fix things with his hands, he's not just learning a skill, he's literally rewiring his brain. Neuroscientists call this neuroplasticity, but let me break it down in plain English. Every time you solve a physical problem, diagnose what's broken, test solutions, fail, adjust, and finally get it working, your brain is building new neural pathways. You're training yourself to hold multiple variables in your head at once: sound, smell, feel, timing. You're teaching your brain to trust patterns that your hands recognize before your words can explain it. That's not just mechanical knowledge, bro. That's a whole different operating system. And here's where it gets interesting. Men who grow up fixing things develop what psychologists call an internal locus of control. Basically, that's the belief that you control outcomes through your own actions. Not luck. Not other people, it's circumstances. You fix the problem because you believe you can. And once that belief gets wired in, it doesn't just apply to engines and plumbing. It applies to everything. Relationships, career, health. Life throws a problem at you, and instead of freezing or outsourcing it, your brain automatically goes into diagnostic mode. You've done this before, you can do it again. But let's talk about what's really happening under the surface, because this goes back thousands of years. Evolutionary psychologists say men's brains developed to solve spatial, mechanical, and physical problems because that's what kept tribes alive. Building shelter, making tools, hunting, providing, fixing what's broken. For most of human history, a man's value was directly tied to his ability to solve real-world problems with his hands. That wiring is still in us. When a modern guy fixes something, he's tapping into something ancient. It's why it feels so satisfying. It's why a man who's stressed at work will go to the garage and work on his car. It's not avoiding the problem. It's restoring the part of his brain that knows how to win. Here's the problem, though. We're raising a generation of men who never get that experience. Everything's digital. Everything's outsourced. Something breaks, you replace it. You don't fix it. You don't struggle with it. You don't earn that win. And research from the American Psychological Association shows that men today report feeling less competent, less confident, and more anxious than any generation before. Why? Because competence isn't something you can download. It's built through real struggle and real results. When you take that away, you take away one of the core ways men develop psychological resilience. Focus Psychology has covered this before, but it's worth repeating. Men need environments where feedback is real and immediate, where effort equals outcome, where you can look at something and say, I did that. That was broken, and I fixed it. That's not ego. That's proof. And in a world where most feedback is subjective, delayed, or manipulated, that kind of clarity is rare. That's why men who know how to fix things carry themselves differently. They've got evidence that they can handle hard things. They don't need validation from someone else because they've validated themselves 100 times over. So if you're watching this and you've never learned to fix anything, I'm not saying go become a mechanic, but I am saying this. Find something real, something physical, something that doesn't care about your feelings and won't work unless you figure it out. Build something, repair something, create something with your hands. Because that process builds a version of you that can handle a lot more than you think. It teaches patience, it teaches persistence, and it teaches you that most problems aren't as complicated as they seem. They just require you to stay calm and keep working. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's one thing you've fixed or built that made you feel like you leveled up as a man? I want to hear your stories. And if this resonated with you, Share this with another guy who needs to hear it. Because the world needs more men who don't collapse when something goes wrong. It needs men who step up, figure it out, and get it done. That's the psychology of men who know how to fix everything. And that mindset, once you build it, changes everything.